Luckily, we planned on being down here for a while, so when we were in Puerto Rico, we provisioned the boat good for about 3 months. And so we're out of fresh food.
Oh, this is how the fridge is looking right now. It's getting pretty sparse in here. We have some garlic, 2 onions, 1 apple, and some potatoes left. That's about it. Yeah, we're getting a bit low, but I think we have some stuff coming. Our friends from Persephone just pulled in and they have been up to Georgetown and were super sweet and got us some fresh food.
So now I'm gonna go over there and like, I don't know, I think I might do something funny, like put on my a little scuba bottle or something just to mix it up and like have a laugh with it.
It's definitely strange to have to be this like distance from people that we already know, but I think we're just trying to take as much precaution as we can.
One of the biggest risks we have is that, yes, we are super isolated, which means we have a less risk of getting this thing. But if we do happen to get it, there's absolutely no medical care out here. So that's the pro and con of the situation. So we're just being ultra careful and ultra conservative and still trying to have a bit of fun with it. So we got that, wow. And we got Coke too. There should be a, oh, we got eggs. Yeah. Shit, yeah.
I know.
That's awesome.
It's good to take some precautions and just clean everything really good.
What are you cleaning it with?
Just some vinegar and then I rinse it with fresh water.
This is the story of Delos, a sailboat adventurizing around the world for the past 10 years. And now we embark on our greatest adventure of all. Come join us as we take to the high seas and travel the world with the newest member of our crew. If you enjoy Delos videos, please subscribe. It's a great way to support our channel.
Look at this. Our fridge is really well stocked up. Look at all that fresh stuff. Wow, broccoli. Look at this drawer. Oh my god, so nice.
What have you been eating, child?
Avocado.
Oh my goodness. We got our fresh food. Jeez, well, look at that chunk. Mom just said that Sierra could have all of her avocados.
I will give Sierra all my
I wasn't
avocados.
quite so forward with giving my avocado. I love you, but I also love avocados a lot. Just kidding. If you want them, I'll give them to you. So tonight we decided to have tacos because we have tomatoes, we have avocados, we have lettuce, black olives, cheese. Yeah. So.
Yeah, spoiling ourselves today.
Look at that. Bananas.
So exciting.
We're doing pretty good here.
Yeah. Real good.
Good to go for another month, huh? Yeah.
Meat looking tacos there.
It's so good. I got so excited I just bit my lip.
No.
Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh, and it's so...
Look at all those fresh ingredients.
Oh. Mm.
And outside we have yet another beautiful sunset.
What?
So I just woke up with Sierra a little while ago, around 6, and we're just having some breakfast. I'm actually letting Brian have a little sleep in today since it's his birthday. That's fun. And then we might have a fun birthday today. Happy birthday
what?
to Daddy.
What? Hi, Nugget. Birthday.
How do you feel?
The same as yesterday. What should we do today?
Some breakfast, go to the beach, have a
Yeah.
bonfire.
Ooh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brian. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Ow, 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 ow!
Thank you so much. What are you guys doing today?
We are on your internet.
Oh, cool. Is it working?
A little bit.
Okay, well, feel free to come on over if you want to use it. It's a lot faster right next to the router. But hey, we're going into the beach this afternoon to have a little. We're gonna light a fire and maybe cook some food and have some margaritas. So if you guys want to come in and join, that would be cool. If not, no worries too.
Okay, that sounds good. I made something for you last night, so I have to get it over to you today.
Oh, that sounds nice. I like birthday surprises.
So when it's a birthday, you get to splurge.
Oh, yeah. We're still rationing, so we only got 1 egg each and a 1/4 pack of bacon. We have homemade buns a la casa. I'm really proud of these guys. Bon appetit. Happy birthday, Brian. I think today should be a gluttonous day. So my first order of business as a birthday boy, I'm gonna start a batch of moonshine because we got word from somebody who went up to get supplies in Georgetown that the liquor stores are closed until further notice. And he's like, oh no. And then he immediately sends us an email. How much sugar do I need to buy to run the still? And so I'm gonna start a batch this morning.
Nice.
Splurging, Kaza.
Yeah.
Living the good life out here, huh? Well, I've given this brewing bucket a good clean, and now I'm going to use basically the same stuff we use to pickle our water maker. This is sodium metabisulfate, and it's a good sterilizing agent. So this is our heat wave turbo yeast. So this will ferment the 6 kilos of sugar into it'll probably be 23 liters of wash by the time we're done. And that's what we'll distill. This should take, in this temperature range, fermentation time, 3 to 4 days. The problem is this yeast is old. I mean, it's been in this hot cabinet and it says store in a cool, dry place. And that doesn't exist on the boat, right?
I love when it always says that on stuff. Store in a cool dry place. You're like,
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What is that, like our refrigerator? This is pure joy in there, Kaza. Pure love and joy in a bucket. Grace. This is Delos on 1-6, over.
Delos, this is Grace. We're listening in.
It's like a party channel now, back from the old school telephone days.
Happy birthday. There's a lot of birthdays today.
Thanks for that. Yeah, I had a slow morning and had some breakfast. Got a batch of moonshine going, and I was wondering if you were keen for a little foil boarding session.
Just say when. I'm ready to go whenever.
Yeah, anytime. Sierra just woke up, so whenever you want, man, just come on over. We'll go.
All right, I'll be there in 5-10 minutes.
Cool. See you then.
All right, see you then. Say bye.
Good plan. All right.
We're not just having fun.
No. This is work. This is work.
Don't enjoy this.
No, this is not fun. It's not fun. Alrighty. Alrighty. Can you see what I'm doing wrong? Alright. Okay. Here we go. Okay. want to go one more time.
One more time?
Yeah.
Alright. The COVID zombies are coming. The only way out is spoil your way to safety, right?
Okay, this is it. This is the one. Great. No pressure. Here we go.
Right in front of the boat.
We got our stuff.
We're going to the beach.
We got a cooler.
We're going to the beach.
All the food.
I got
Everything
my
is ready.
chest full of treasures.
Awesome.
Arr, and margaritas. Arr.
Okay, let's do this. A perfect landing.
We got everything we need.
And a baby.
Oh, look, you guys got hats.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah, we got homemade Gritas. We got homemade baby.
This is kind of perfect. Yeah, that worked, huh?
Now I hear something sounds like a love song from the birds in the sky.
Yeah.
All right, happy birthday, Captain Brian, to the COVID-19 2020 crew. Will, for sure. Oh, that was a lip noodle. A lot like bonfires.
What have you learned this year?
I've learned this year that all my crazy thoughts about being self-sufficient with power and water and alcohol I've finally had a reason to be that way. And now we're here. Is that a reason? Is that good?
Sure. I thought about how much our lives have changed in this 1 year.
Oh yeah, because we had a baby?
Yeah, but if you think about where we were last year, we were partying our asses off in Grenada.
Yeah. Yeah.
And where we're now. Yeah, it's crazy how
It
that
is.
changes, huh?
A lot of differences. But I feel like we're exactly where we're supposed to be.
So cool to spend this day with these people in this place. It's just freaking amazing that we've been able to hang out and get to know them, and I'm just feeling very, very fortunate to be here right now.
Happy birthday, dear Brian! Happy birthday to you! Woo! Thank you! Hey! Alright! You did it! Thank you!
I also thought about today how special it is to be here with Brian and how much I love him. Really, I mean, he's my partner in life, and he's a person that I spent the last, I guess, 9 years with. We complement each other so well in so many ways. Like now, lately, you know, some days I've been feeling really stressed out, and I've been feeling quite worried about everything that is going on, and he just has this way of knowing me, I guess, so well that he's just like, Karen, you're stressed out, we need to take a walk. And then we just go for a long walk, we just talk about things, and he makes me feel better. And it's very, very special to have that person that can kind of support you in that way. Even spending all of this time in this tiny little boat, sailing, getting exposed to so many new people and experiences and struggles and sad times and good times and hard times. We just work it out. And he's a very special man, and I love him so much. He's the love of my life. I just wanted to share that with you guys on this amazing sunset. So now I'm gonna go back and watch the fire with these people and just sit and enjoy for the rest of the day.
Ahoy Delos tribe! Did you know that for about the same price as a cup of coffee, you can join our inner circle, which gives you lots of cool benefits like early access to our video releases, private membership to our tribal council where you can chat with the crew, and also invitations for like sailing and diving and crew opportunities and all sorts of cool stuff.
Yep. So head to patreon.com/SBDelos for more information. And we love you.
That's it. Back to the show.
What's going on here? It smells a little bit burnt.
Oh, that's my, this is the thermometer to the still. And I took it out to set everything up and then noticed that there was like some corrosion and rust coming out of it. Like that's bad. And the inside of that's all corroded. But I think I can clean this and resolder it.
Did it work?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, wow.
Moonshining today, baby, yeah! Welcome to our cruiser lockdown moonshine party.
No liquor sales allowed in the Bahamas, so you have to take action into your own hands sometimes.
And this is your basic Turbo 500 reflux still. This is the wash or the mash or whatever you want to call it that I did over the last week. And we're gonna fill this boiler with it. Kaza loves the way it smells. I don't really care for it so much. Then what we have to do is we have to put water through it because what happens, the process is it gets boiled in here, and then in the column there's different temperatures, and so the alcohol, the ethanol actually vaporizes in here, and then we run cold water through this condenser, and the cold water comes out of our water tank. It's fresh water, and then I just put it right back in the water tank in like a loop, and then that cools the tower, and then the alcohol gets condensed, and then it drips out into here. Now all we got to do is wait. That's what we're talking about. Now we got us a good stream coming out of there. Temp's getting up. Okay.
You want me to go blind?
You can just dip your, you won't go blind.
I'm joking.
But keep in mind it is very strong.
So I don't want to
just dip your tongue in it.
You wouldn't put it in your mouth and take it?
Well. It's like stronger than Everclear. Remember Everclear from high school?
This feels like, yeah, it feels like grain alcohol.
Yeah.
Do it, honey, it's fun.
Oh man. That is worse than Everclear.
Look who it is! It's our other lockdown buddies.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Lockdown friends.
Hello!
What's up, guys?
We just drank some 96% alcohol, so our day's going well.
Oh, come on, I got it's perfect time. Come on for a taste test.
Yeah.
Only the highest quality liquors get this special treatment.
Handcrafted, quite literally. And we're gonna do classic Tennessee bourbon spirit essence. We're at nailed it. Oh, it's a beautiful color. Wow, 40. It's right on 40. Perfect. Land it right on 40%.
Oh, wow.
You knew what you were doing. Brian!
That's the coup de grace there, the finishing touch, a little American oak chips. The problem is we're gonna drink this probably right away. See, we've gotten to the product already.
Yeah, we're already sampling the goods, but whatever.
It's surprisingly great.
Look at, we made a number on our cockpit here. It's like a moon shining disaster.
So do you still have your last?
There it is. Well, that was a pretty nice day.
Yeah, it was an amazing day. Just really incredible that we actually have people to like hang out with. And
it was really nice just to hang out and do like normal stuff.
I know.
Like just hang out on a Sunday afternoon,
yeah.
have some beers, have some drinks, make some moonshine, drink some moonshine, have some cheese and crackers.
Just like talk about normal things and like everyday stuff and just
It was nice.
It was amazing.
And
really
now
cool.
I think I'm gonna cook some dinner.
Because I'm starving.
I don't know what it's gonna be, but it's gonna involve lobster.
That's exciting.
Baby Nugs! Baby Nugs, are you... Hi! Are you hungry? Who's driving the boat? Is it the baby Nugget? Daddy's birthday. Ha 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 ha! At Delos, standing by 6'9". So that was our friend Connor on Grace, and he just heard that sailboat named Avalon that we've been hanging out with Andy and Charlie on board, they are actually going to be here in like an hour. So we've planned a little prank that we're going to play on them when they get here, and I think they have a good sense of humor, so I think they're going to like it.
This is the Buena Vista Harbor Master. We understand your vessel has recently visited the virus infested.
Keep it together, kids! Come on, guys, get this! We gotta get this before he gets us diggy in the water.
Like, don't put it down.
Right. Okay. Right. This is not funny. We understand your vessel has recently visited the virus-infested Georgetown. It's so hard. It's so okay.
I got my disguise on. We gotta go before we get too hot.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Attention, sailing vessel Avalon. This is the Buena Vista Harbor Master. We understand your vessel has recently visited the virus-infested Georgetown Harbor and are hereby required to isolate. If you wish to stay, you must abide by these rules. Rule 1. If you must sneeze downwind of any other individual, vessel, or property. Rule number 2. You must maintain at least 2 fathoms gap between individuals. Rule number 3. If you must leave your boat, then you must maintain a separate fire pit on the beach at least 2 fathoms downwind of any other individual who may be gathering. Rule number 4. Voluntarily submit to the rectal laser thermometer probe for the following 14 consecutive day period. This is, again, the Buena Vista Harbor Master. Out.
Business in the front, party in the back.
Look at that.
Like it? I like it a lot.